Well, still no official explanation for that wait, which is especially worth note here because City Hall has a way to remotely check on a lot of those pumps that are going on and check on the status of them even as those floods go on, like what we saw on Friday. Now, the agency's first acknowledgement of the failure came at the board's weekly meeting this morning. Now, the agency's director admits 3 of the city's largest drainage pumps in Gentilly took about 2 hours to turn on. Now, for some context here, the pumps are at Pump Station 4, which is supposed to handle drainage between Gentilly Boulevard and the Industrial Canal. Now, the director owes that failure to operator error, he says. He vows the board has a lot of catching up to do when it comes to training and staffing its workers.
It's like somebody's writing a script.
And again, that comes 5 days after board leaders had said that heavy rain had been more severe than usual. A lot of people in Gentilly, they are upset and say they wish they had learned the official word even just hours after all of that. We'll hear from some of them coming up and some additional sound from the Sewerage and Water Board meeting that just happened this morning. Their thoughts, their reactions, their moves next, their forward push here to make sure this doesn't happen again. But for now, we are reporting live outside the Sewerage and Water Board headquarters. Harrison Golden, WDSU News.
Meanwhile, heat continues to be